Make a great choice today with the 2024 Pathfinder. The Pathfinder has a premium interior with 3 rows of seating for up to 7 passengers, as well as versatile seating and cargo configurations. This SUV appeals to both truck lovers and car lovers. This vehicle has less than 5,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, remote engine start, power liftgate, traction control, stability control, keyless entry, lane departure warning, power passenger seat, steering wheel audio controls, LED headlights. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.